Around until your spine feels long and straight. You've got the shoulders back and down, and ideally the palms of the hands have turned to face the ceiling as long as that's comfortable. And let's begin by bringing the focus to the largest sensation of breath in your body. So as your eyes close, just noticing where you feel the breath the most. So that might be the nostril point. Maybe you feel the breath more so in the area of the chest. Or possibly you feel the breath more in the abdomen. Wherever you feel the breath, just affixing the awareness there. Breathing in and breathing out. Just resting a few moments longer. And as you do, just letting go of your day or your week or your month or even your year. Imagine you're peeling these layers of stress off of the body so you can settle into this breath and into this moment more fully and completely. So just waves of relaxation washing over you, dropping into a deeper sense or state of relaxation, of rest. And maybe taking one of the breaths and releasing it with a nice big sigh. In a moment now, we'll begin to move and warm up the body. When we get moving, just keep in mind there's no hurry. Remember to always listen to your body and never push it further than it's ready to go. We'll open the practice chanting Om together 3 times. If it's of interest, go ahead and take the palms against one another in front of the heart space. Receiving an elongated in-breath. Feel that sound resonating in the body. That's it. As we begin now to start to wiggle the fingers and the toes. We'll circle the wrists and the ankles. And then let's enjoy a nice long stretch of the whole body. So scooping your arms overhead, any height, reaching into your hands, pressing into your heels, maybe yawn or sigh or wiggle around, just like a nice beautiful morning stretch. And then when you're done with that, we'll ease the arms to a T position and we'll bend the knees, placing the feet on the floor, taking them about hips distance apart and nice and close to the seat. And as you exhale, let's let your head roll to the right hand side. That's it. Inhale, center. Exhale, take your head to the left. And let's just keep going with that side to side. So inhale, center. Exhale, side. Encouraging the breath to be diaphragmic, so way down into your belly. As you keep that going, let's drop right into the simple spinal twist. So letting the knees fall in the opposite direction of your head. Unbinding, unwinding the spine. You got it. And the next time that the knees drop to the right-hand side, let's leave them there. Drawing your head back to the center, let's take your left arm right up towards the ceiling and then slide that arm right up and overhead, any height. You got it. And then return the arm to a T position, trading sides, so knees to the left. Scoop the right arm up and over the ear and reach. That's it, and release, knees to center. This time as the knees drop to the right-hand side, invite both of the arms to come up and overhead and reach. You got it. T position the arms, knees to center. Let the knees drop to the left. Scoop the arms overhead and reach. And release. Knees to the right. Arms overhead. T position the arms, knees to center. Knees to the left, arms scoop overhead and reach. Good. T position, knees to center, side to side. One more time per side. Good, and then bringing your arms down by your sides. Nice, reposition your feet, hips distance apart and close to the seat. As you inhale, take both of the arms back up and overhead, any height. So even if that's only across from your chest, ideally the backs of the hands will make contact with the floor, but that won't be for all. And as you exhale, gather your hands back by your sides. So inhaling, arms are rising. Exhaling, arms are lowering back down. Now, as you do that, start to imagine your hands are guiding the breath both in and out of your body. And as you're doing that, invite the breath to unfold to a ratio of either 6 and 6 or 8 and 8. So just silently and mentally counting to yourself to the count of 6 or 8 as the arms are lifting. Releasing the breath from the top of the body down to the bottom to that same count, so 6 or 8. Now the next time the arms go to rise, bring your right knee up and into the belly. And then as the arms descend, land that right foot. Left hand side, same thing. Side to side. Now some of us are going to go a little deeper with this. If your back is tender, please just stay with this variation. Otherwise, as the arms go to rise, gather both of the knees up and in. And then as the arms descend, gently land the feet back flat to the floor. Toes down first, and then the heel can land after that. All right, now keep going with that. What we're possibly going to be doing is changing and adjusting this somewhat so that eventually we're going to take the leg up towards the ceiling. So you can have the knees bent, feet upon the floor. And maybe the right leg will rise now as the arms lift. And release. Knee bends, foot to the floor. Left side. Keep that going, side to side. As I